Hello everyone. In this animation that I went out online and got through the publisher's website, you can do the same thing, but what I've done is I'm going to divide this single animation into three parts. The first part will be glycolysis. The second part will be the citric acid cycle, or Krebs cycle, and the third part will be the electron transport chain. Okay, all of these three together are known as cellular respiration. So I'll begin with the glycolysis reaction. Now please pay attention to where these reactions occur and how many energy molecules, ATP molecules, are produced by each reaction. Okay, I'm not expecting you to know every single chemical compound that is involved in these reactions. I just want you to get the basic idea of these reactions. At the end of each reaction, I will review what you should have learned. Okay? So let's begin.
How do you turn that bite of food into a chemical that a cell can recognize and use as energy? The first step is altering the food into its component chemical compounds and then getting those molecules into your cells. That process is called digestion. Once inside your cells, the process of turning that bite of food into useful energy by cellular respiration begins. The process of digestion results with carbohydrates and other molecules being removed from the consumed food and transported into the bloodstream. From there, nutrients, like the carbohydrate glucose, will leave the bloodstream through a capillary wall and enter a tissue cell.
It's doing this by diffusion, and now it's inside a cell. It's in the cytoplasm.
Once inside the cell, cellular respiration will completely oxidize the glucose molecule, releasing high-energy electrons. The overall goal is to make ATP, a storage form of energy for most cells. Cellular respiration is a four-stage process that begins with glycolysis. Glycolysis literally means splitting sugars, and it is the first step of cellular respiration, occurring in the cytoplasm of the cell. Glycolysis consists of two distinct phases, an energy investment phase and an energy harvesting phase. In the energy investment phase, two ATP molecules transfer energy to the glucose molecule, forming a 6-carbon sugar diphosphate molecule. This molecule splits, and the energy harvesting phase begins. During this phase, the two 3-carbon molecules are converted to pyruvate, and ATP is formed. Glycolysis is a 10-step reaction that involves the activity of multiple enzymes and enzyme assistance. In the process, a net of 2 molecules of ATP, 2 molecules of pyruvate, and 2 high-energy electron-carrying molecules of NADH are produced. When oxygen is present, the pyruvate molecules and NADH enter the mitochondria.
Okay. So where did this happen? Glycolysis happens in the cytoplasm of a cell. Does it need oxygen? No, it does not need oxygen to occur. What is broken down? A glucose molecule is broken down. And what is produced? Well, we've got 2 ATP molecules, 2 NADPH molecules. Let's go back there. I think it's NADPH. Let's see. No, it's NADH. Okay, NADPH is in photosynthesis. So NADH is produced. These pyruvate molecules are produced, ATP and NADH. These are electron carrier molecules. Okay, so that's glycolysis. And that's it for this. That's it for this lecture. Hope you learned something. Have a good day.